Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make some honey garlic salmon bowls, guys. This recipe is super easy to make, but full of flavor. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to slice our salmon into bite-sized pieces. Now that your salmons are into chunks, go ahead and arrange them into a baking dish. Just like so. To make the sauce for the salmon, I have some melted butter in a bowl. To it, I'm going to add some honey, sesame oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, ginger, sriracha sauce. And brown sugar. Give that a mix. Go ahead and pour your sauce over your salmon, and we're going to place it in the fridge for an hour to marinate. It's time to prepare our broccoli. Make sure you wash your broccoli before cutting into it. What I like to do is cut my broccoli like so and throw this piece away. And if they are this size, you can go in with your knife and just cut them in half, just like so, and place them into a bowl. Drizzle with some olive oil. Give it a toss. Season with some black pepper and salt. Give it another toss. Go ahead and spread your broccoli on a cookie sheet. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and bake for 10 minutes. This is how my roasted broccoli is looking after 15 minutes. So go ahead and just let this sit aside while we finish preparing our salmon. This is how my salmon is looking after being marinated in the fridge for about an hour. I'm going to stick this in a 450 degree oven and bake for 10 minutes. Go ahead and pull your salmon out of the oven and base it. And turn your broiler on. We're going to stick it back in the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes. And just make sure you watch it so it doesn't burn. After 8 minutes, our salmon is ready, guys. It looks so delicious, and it is time to assemble our salmon bowl. In my bowl over here, I went and added my steamed rice and some avocados. I love avocados with this dish. So now I'm going to add my salmon. Drizzle some of that sauce on top. Add some green onions. And some toasted sesame seeds on top. Hello guys, so my honey garlic salmon bowl is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing, guys? I cannot wait to enjoy it. I like it a little spicy, so I'm going to add a little sriracha sauce on top. You can also add some crushed red peppers to this if you would like. And guys, I am ready to begin. Oh, this looks amazing. Wow. I love when my broccoli have a little char to it from roasting. So good. Everything in this bowl is just incredibly delicious, guys. Give it a try. Come back and let me know how you liked it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. And I'll catch you guys later.